Hey, it's Shanice. I'm back with another vegan recipe. In this video, I am showing you how I made this delicious yellow cauliflower rice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. As you can see, I have some ingredients here, and the first thing that I have is my 1 head of cauliflower. I also have some bell peppers, red, green, and yellow. And then I have my seasoning, starting out with onion powder, sea salt, and also turmeric for flavor and color. And then I have some grapeseed oil to saute my vegetables, and I have some portobello mushrooms. So the first thing that I've done here is I chopped up all of my portobello mushrooms, and I also broke ahead my cauliflower and broke them into pieces to be able to blend it up into rice. So I'm putting my cauliflower into the blender. This is a Ninja, by the way. Do not pack your blender so that you can pulse it easily. So I pulse it for about a second each, at least until I get a rice consistency. So here I did it 3 times, but it wasn't what I wanted, so I went 3 more times with it. Okay, so at this point, this is the rice consistency that I'm going for. It's pretty easy. I'm going to go ahead and chop up the rest of this so we can get to the seasoning part. And at this point, I'm coating my skillet with some grapeseed oil. Pardon me, I made a mistake here. I did put my rice in before it even heated up, but it's okay. It's still going to cook, by the way, but you should wait for your oil to heat a little bit. So once my oil is in the pan, I start to season it. And as you can see, I'm using my onion powder, my sea salt, and my turmeric. Once I have all the seasonings in there, I start to stir it. Because it's starting to cook at this point, you can see the smoke from the pan, or the steam. And once it's all stirred together and pretty much cooking, which we cook for about 5 to 8 minutes, it looks something like this. So it looks like yellow rice. It's not as boring. Now in the meantime, I'm also coating a second pan with some grapeseed oil. This is for my portobello mushrooms, which I'm cooking on high, you can tell. And I'm adding some salt to that portobello mushroom, some sea salt to give it that meaty sort of flavor. And once you start sauteing it, it looks something like this. This is what I'm going for. This is what I'm going to pour into my cauliflower rice and mix that together. And it gives it even more flavor, by the way. So at this point, I've taken all my cauliflower rice and poured it into a big bowl for you, just for presentation. Honestly, I'm not finished yet, but you could eat the rice just like this. It tastes good as is. So what I'm doing now is preheating my oven to 350, and I took my peppers, cut off the tops, and scooped out the insides, because I'm stuffing my peppers with my cauliflower stuffing. So all of my peppers have been stuffed, and I'm going to place the tops back onto the peppers because they are getting ready to go in the oven on 350, and they're pretty much going to roast for about 30 minutes. Okay, and after they're done cooking for 30 minutes on 350, this is what they look like. You can tell they've been very, very roasted. Look at that green one. That's the one that I'm going to eat, by the way, because I don't have anything green on the side right now. So I showed you my cauliflower yellow rice and also some stuffed peppers. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, I will see you in the next video.